Get your bone. It.
Okay, now we pour the soup. Yes. Okay, now we're going to have it, roasted beef soup.
More
With
liquid.
noodles.
Roasted.
Don't taste that. How do you like it, sir?
I was expecting it to be a little salty, but it's not. It's actually good.
Special Haitian.
It's mostly flavor and not salt.
Haitian.
That's for me, it's a big highlight.
Try the tender or the liquid.
Bawal sa'yo yan.
People will see how big I eat. So,
RB, pwede ba yun sa'yo? Konti lang.
Bigger na diet.
like,
Try lang, taste lang.
Nakalakad ka pa? What do you think, sir?
I think it is very soft and very it goes down the throat easy. And it's heaven in a bowl.
Matakas, wala sinunod. Wala rin eh. May evidence naman eh.
This is fried. You can just take it home. No, you have double share later.